Assalamu alaikum and good evening, my dear students. This is phonics and spelling class, and this brief review video about our previous class in which we discuss about long vowels, page number 8 and 9 from unit 1. So you can see on page 8, circle the spelling which have the same rhyme. Style, tile. Number 2, hope, slope, speech, bleach, on, loan, bowl, foul, jokes, coax, sinew, continue, float, tote, wave, pave, lace, bath, raise, gaze, peak, meek, seek, bleak, seen, keen, time, rhyme, wine, shine, lute, acute, top, four, views, fuse, court, remote. And now moving to page number 9. So write the spelling word that contain the same long vowel pattern. So vowel consonant E pattern as in hope, and two vowel pattern as in peak as clue. So it means from 1 to 10 you have to find words the consonant would be between two vowels. So the preceding one and the later should be vowel, like in slope O and P. And remote, toad, bath, gas, shrine, tile, fuse, pave, acute. From 11 to 19, so two vowels pattern, like the vowel would be in between the word, like double E, E, A, O, A, like these words. Keen, bleach, loan, foul, folk, coax, bleak, continue, meek. And the last unique long vowel pattern, which is word number 20, that is rhyme. So it's a long. And you should revise classwork. See you inshallah with the next review word in this class. Till that time, goodbye.